Hey guys, it's Vishwas again from FTC Team 16725, LeoBots. And today, we're going to start the second part of our new tutorial series about using Autodesk Fusion 360. If you haven't already seen the first video on how to download the software, I will attach the link to that in the description below. Now without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, we will be focusing on where you can find and download parts for your FTC team in CAD format. So the first thing we'll be doing is opening up our web browser and typing in GrabCAD. So what is GrabCAD? GrabCAD is basically a community-based website where engineers and hobbyists can upload their CAD files for our use. So let's go ahead and click on GrabCAD. Now I would register for GrabCAD so that you can receive all the benefits of the website, such as storing your data in the cloud if that's something of interest to you. So if you didn't have an account, you can create an account, or you can sign in through Facebook, OpenID, LinkedIn, and Google. If you were to create an account, it would ask you for the following information. If you already created an account, all you need to do is log in. So I just went ahead and created myself an account. Now, to find some parts for our usage, we can go ahead and open up the library. Now, there are some basic kits available online in CAD format. As a rookie team last year, our team in particular used a Tetrix kit along with some GoBoda parts. So let's go ahead and look for the CAD files for a Tetrix kit. With a simple search, we found the kit. If I just go ahead and click on the kit, I will be able to download the parts for free and utilize them in my CAD model. Like I said earlier, our team also utilized parts from GoBoda. For example, our team used the GoBoda Strafer chassis. If you scroll down, let's look for some part in specific. So here is a Strafer chassis I was talking about. If you scroll down, you can find the step file under the downloads, as you can see over here. From prior experience, it seems that GoBoda has this option for anything it sells, so that makes it convenient for you to build your CAD model. Like I said earlier, many teams also use kits from Rev Robotics. We have never used a Rev Robotics kit, however, they do have CAD files available for your use. If we just search up Rev Robotics kit from FTC GrabCAD, we will find a whole list of parts which are available for you to download free of cost. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, when buying your parts for your bot, I would recommend looking to make sure that they have CAD files, as it does make it convenient and makes your CAD model impressive. Please stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't watched the previous video on how to download the software, I will attach the link in the description, like I said earlier. In future videos, we will be diving into using the software so that you are capable of creating your own parts.